In this part of the tutorial, we are going to import our video into our project. There is a little caveat to it, so stick around to learn that part. This is a follow-along tutorial on how to create doodles. Huge shout out to this account, which is spelled as bulldogs_and_chickens on the Instagram, for sending me a video that we are using in our tutorial. This is the video that they sent, and I think it's perfect. Again, bulldogs and chickens with the underscore in between. I modified the video a little bit to make it more fun. So here it is. And that's what we are using in the tutorial. Now, here's what I wanted to tell you. That when you're going to be importing different videos into FlipaClip, you need to understand what the resolutions are. If you're working with Android device, it is easy peasy to figure out what the resolution of your video is. You just go to the video in the camera roll, you swipe it up, and you can see resolution. When it comes to an iOS device, iPad, iPhone, it is way trickier, and you have to do a few extra steps to get there. So to figure it out, you need to go and to the App Store, and you need to look for Video Info Viewer. This is blue application, blue icon right there. This is the application you're looking for. So once you have this application, you go to open, you go to a place that your videos are recently added over here, and it will tell you right here the resolution of the video. By the way, frame rate is 60 frames per second, but the resolution is what you need to pay attention to. This one is exact square, and it's 1080 by 1080. It's perfect size. We're going to be working with that 1080 by 1080. If your resolution is different, not for this video will be the same, but let's say in the future, then when you're creating your project, you will be following the resolution you find here. This application is also available for the iPhone. You can get it for the iPhone, and that way you can check resolution of the video there as well. Now let's go to FlipaClip. Alright, are you ready to import video? We're gonna start with creating a new project. I'm gonna create a project, chicken jump. Background doesn't matter. 12 frames per second, we leave it at that. And then when it says choose canvas size, we're gonna click on that. And here are a few options. You can have few options. Pick from the menu here. I will click on the Instagram 1:1, and it's because I will type 1080 and it will type 1080 in the second box for me. Just a shortcut. You can pick anything, and you can break the connection in between. That's proportional connection in between, and you can type 1080, but then you have to type in the second box 1080. And that's the project we need. It will give me a warning because we're in 1080. It might take a little bit, but I'm okay with that. Once again, the name, custom, and 1080 by 1080. Background doesn't matter because we're going to be using video as a background. Create project. Alright, here it is. This is our canvas. As you can see, 1080 by 1080. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on these dots, and I click on add video. I'm gonna go to video library, and I'm gonna go to recents, and I'm gonna select the video we're gonna be working with. I'm gonna say use. This is perfect. I'm not gonna be cropping it. I already prepared it. You can crop it in the future if you need it, but this one is just gonna go as is. And it's importing video frames. I think now you know what it means, right? Frames, frames, frames. All right, our video is imported. Before we go on, you want to scroll to the very back and make sure that extra frame, sometimes extra frame there, you delete it. So let's go back to the very back. Yep, that's the extra frame. You tap and you hold to get this menu, and then you click on the recycle bin and you want to say remove. So we're going to be working with 58 frames. These are frames, and we are ready to start to do an animation.